Hey guys, what's going on? Jonah Bunch here with Bunch's Diesel. On this week's Shop Week video, we get a bunch of Ford stuff wrapped up. We make some significant progress on some of the old builds, and there's a couple more down there that we're working on. We wrap up the 450 front and rear end and Longhorn 7.3. So there's a bunch of stuff that gets going on in this week's video. Guys, make sure you stay tuned and enjoy the show. Bailey giving the front end some love on the 450. As we was taking it apart to do the front end, everything suspension wise on this truck was still Ford mark stamped from 2000. So ball joints, hubs, everything. See, here's one of the tie rod. I mean, everything is 25 years old. So they elected, since we had to take it out, is to let's just go ahead and put all this new stuff in it, because they're just getting on this truck on the road to start using it more often. So hello, Bailey.
Hello.
Going to say hi to Courtney. This is Bailey's wife and Blakely. Courtney! Courtney got her fancy new car today. Look at her. Say hi, Blakely.
Hi.
You gonna be on YouTube? Yeah, you do. Who's that? Yeah. Say hi, Courtney. All right, guys, happy Thursday. We got a few things going on today. Cody is getting our warranty transmission put in Longhorn's Tahoe. And actually, we've got two of his vehicles in here. So this is also his truck, getting the the green truck, yeah. But so this truck is getting the Dynatrac free spin hub kit, because if y'all have messed with these trucks any at all, a lot of times people will start, over the years, will change these little four-wheel drive actuators as they go out. And the problem with this one, that it had been changed several different times, and it just was, the four-wheel drive wouldn't work. You couldn't get the parts to work. It just kind of a pain. So he said, hey, he was just kind of over dealing with it, because it's been an ongoing problem ever since he's had the truck. So we just went to the whole new Dynatrac system. So this is going to run the chromoly outer axle shafts. It's going to have a whole new hub system in it, and then it uses, a lot nicer locking mechanism too. So it's instead of it being auto, which none of that stuff works because of the vacuum system leaks and everything else. So it's going to be a full manual lockout system. So it's a really heavy duty four-wheel drive system. So he's not going to have to worry about snapping any of them lightweight axle shafts or nothing. So Bailey's kind of getting that put together. And then we've got to get the other bolt bin moved up, and I think they're going to move some lifts in today too. So right, guys, thank you all for watching this week's Shop Week video. We appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.